All right, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today we're going to be doing a review over the Kwikset Aurora Smart Lock. Now, we're going to break it down into three categories. One, the installation, so how hard was it? Number two, its abilities and features of this lock. And then number three, we're going to do a price comparison with other locks that are similar to it to give you an idea of where it prices at. And that's it. Those are the three metrics that I'm going to be focusing on. So let's dive in, let's check out this lock, and let's see what it's all about. Installation. So installation on this lock, pretty easy for a smart lock. It took about 25 minutes. If you've installed any Kwikset lock before, very similar to that. The one thing I would say is, if this is your first ever lock installing, it's probably a good one to go with. The only difficulty I had was with the Kwikset app and syncing it with Bluetooth. I just felt that process was a little bit choppy. But the nice thing here is with this review, I'm attaching the playlist here. So if you're having any issues installing this lock, just go ahead and look at those. And I pretty much walk through any troubleshooting or any issues that you're going to see. All right, abilities and features. First thing we want to start off with the Kwikset Aurora is it's a Bluetooth lock, which means you don't need a hub, which is really nice if you don't have a whole smart system in your house. But there are some negatives to Bluetooth. One of the things is you have to be within 100 feet to be able to create a code or unlock the door. So if you're out of town and you're trying to unlock, could be an issue there. You do have the Kwikset app, which is a nice feature for creating codes, seeing who's entered. You can even create 250 codes, which is crazy. But all in all, the abilities and features are there. It's really if you want to use Bluetooth, or if you want to go with Z-Way or Zigbee, you probably want to go with a different lock. But that's the abilities and features of the Kwikset Aurora. All right, so last is going to be the price. Now, the Kwikset Aurora Smart Lock, it varies. It's somewhere in the low 100s is what I found on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's. It's typically where you find it. Now, in comparison to most smart locks, it's a little bit less expensive. But when looking at Bluetooth locks, it seems to be about the mean price. There's some that are much higher. There are some that are a little bit lower. But all in all, I'd say the price of this lock fits the lock. So that right there is my review. I went over the installation, the features, abilities, the price. I'm going to leave my playlist on here. So if you have any questions or want to see actual videos of the lock or me installing it, it'll be attached. But please leave a like, comment, and I look forward to hearing your comments on here. Have a great day.